Meaning of ghagra.
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 Ghagra. Ghagra refers to a long, flowing skirt typically worn by women in India and Pakistan. The garment is often brightly colored and heavily embellished with embroidery or beadwork. It is usually paired with a matching blouse and dupatta, scarf, creating a traditional and elegant ensemble. The ghagra is commonly worn for festive occasions such as weddings, religious celebrations, and cultural festivals. Its popularity extends beyond South Asia, with many people around the world embracing this beautiful and iconic piece of clothing both for its aesthetic appeal and its cultural significance.